training for that half? How about a bottle that cleans itself? We've created the quartz bottle, the world's first self-cleaning bottle with on-the-go water purification. Quartz uses UV light to break up the DNA of harmful odor-causing bacteria. Hospitals have been using the same UV light to quickly and safely sterilize operating rooms for the past decade. We've scaled this LED technology to fit inside this cap. Imagine a pitcher of questionable water. Quartz begins working at the touch of a button, and in 60 seconds, you've got pristine drinking water. Quartz works automatically in the background, 6 times a day, to keep your bottle and water crystal clean. And Quartz is 100% BPA-free stainless steel. It's vacuum sealed and double insulated, so it stays cold for 24 hours and hot for 12 hours, and never breaks a sweat. There's no hydro challenge Quartz can't handle. Whether you're bopping around town, training for your next triathlon, or on an expedition to the summit, Quartz is always working hard so you don't have to, keeping your water fresh and your bottle clean and stink-free. So help make the perfect water bottle a reality and never ever worry about that stinky bottle again.
Whether you're redecorating your home or doing a construction or renovation project, Cubit calculates the dimensions of the real world with its dual laser to measure long distances, or its built-in smart wheel to calculate short distances and irregular objects. Cubit then brings those measurements into the corresponding app, along with photos you have taken of the spaces and objects you are looking to use to create your vision. This allows you to virtually design your project with real-world scale and context. It gives you the freedom to experiment and try many variations before building. You are also able to share your design with other users, as well as download other designs from a network of content creators. Cubit will guide you to your digitally created measurements in the real world with directional arrows. With a bullseye, Cubit indicates where your points exist, bringing your digitally created vision to life in the real world. Let's plot.
This is Cubio, the most compact laser engraver in your hand. Start to work right out of the box. Cubio delineates your sketch and makes it come true right on your desk. Cubio works on vertical surfaces and is also suitable for limited space. Connect to your tablet or smartphone, choose a favorite photo, and engrave. Cubio is super small and portable, that you can take it everywhere. Bring surprises to life, to a special one, and make an ordinary day extraordinary. It's easy to place Cubio, ready to work. Simply power it with your mobile battery. Laser engraving is just as easy as having a cup of coffee. With Cubio, you can decorate your home. Decorate for your loved ones. draw in the app and print immediately. Personalize your belongings. Style your place all yours.